What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset any iPhone. Just notice and note that this deletes all data and returns your iPhone to factory settings. Firstly, open Settings, then go to General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Erase all content and settings. Back up your data if prompted and enter your Apple ID password. Choose whether to keep or erase your eSIM, and your iPhone will restart and reset completely. Use this if your iPhone is frozen or unresponsive. Quickly press volume up, then release, and quickly press volume down, then release, and press and hold the side button. Now release when the Apple logo appears, and this will fix systems issues but does not erase data. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.